I've always wanted to be cool and say this. Roll that intro. Hello to all my amigas and pals, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I use my 3-barrel waver on my cute little hair. So I obviously already took a shower, and right when I get out I use this whatever wherever leave-in conditioner. It's hydrating, priming, it does a bunch of stuff. Style refreshing. Yeah, like usually if my hair is kind of dirty, I'll spray it in my hand and rub it all in my hair, but it has no sulfates, no parabens, no gluten, no, like it has everything listed right there. It's by Together Beauty. I use this as my leave-in conditioner. Then I put in my Olaplex Bond Smoother. It's a leave-in reparative styling cream that eliminates frizz, hydrates, and protects. And when I put this in my hand, I drop my little blonde drops from IGK, Mixed Feelings. You kind of press the bottom and it boop, boop. Some really dark purpley drops, and that is to protect the blonde that I have in my hair. So then I go ahead and I do my makeup and I kind of let it air dry because I never blow dry my hair straight out of the shower. But now I'm going to get ready to just kind of blow dry it a little bit. I use this Brio Gio Don't Despair Repair Strengthening Treatment Oil. Look at how cute. It has like a flower in it. Ooh, wow. So I just put a couple of drops in my hand. And you're supposed to like focus on the ends because it's like a reparative treatment. But I put a little on my bangs just because like I have those face frame blonde highlights and sometimes my bangs are looking a little crispy from the blonde. But yeah. Okay, now I'm just gonna blow dry it a little on low. Okay, now that I'm done drying my hair, I went ahead and preheated my little 3-barrel curling iron, and I put it at like 180 Celsius because for obvious reasons, I don't like putting it too high. I don't want to fry off all my hair. And for some reason, I feel like, I don't know, with 3-barrel curling irons, I feel like that's like a lot of heat coming onto my hair. Alright, so you see how crispy my little bangs are? And it's only because of the blonde, because 2 months ago they did not look like that. Whatever, it's the price you pay. It's the price you pay for blonde hair. Okay, so the good thing about this 3-barrel waver is it heats up really quick. So I like to obviously section off my hair, and I grab in a little like probably 1.5 inch piece, and then with this facing down, because I don't want, like, let's say when I reach the end I want to be able to curl it in. So facing upside down, I go, and not at the top of my head either, because I want like my roots to still be able to be voluminous and I don't want them like crunchy. And then move down, and the good thing about this is like your hair pretty much like falls into the place that it needs to. And voila. All right, next piece. And as you saw, like I literally only hold it for a few seconds because yeah, I don't like having a lot of heat for a long time on my hair. Cute. So just keep doing the same thing all over me head. And I feel like holding it up so that as it's like kind of like cooling down, it still has the little wave to it. As you can tell, I'm clearly not a professional, but then again, I just want to show you how easy it is for really anybody to do this cool little hairstyle. And honestly, for the price, this thing is pretty darn good. And it's on Amazon Prime. So I got here quick when I had ordered it. Cute! This look to me just reminds me of like California girl out on the beach in the sun catching them waves. I am such a nerd. Okay, now that I finished with this little piece, I'm gonna take another little section from my hair. Now, this is a little bit of a difficult part because it's behind my head, but at the same time, I don't really like focus too much on making it perfect in the back because it's the back of my head. So, I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera because I don't care that much about it, and then I'll come back when I'm doing the front. Okay, I am now on the last part of my hair. This is the tricky part because I want them to like match. So let's see. I literally will like be kind of like pushing my hair up or like forcing it up, like what I said, to keep up the volume, to keep up the little waves. Cute. Let me put that over there. I could like see the smoke steam coming off, frying my hair away. No, but I don't do my hair too much. I try not to maintain its health. I put a ton of products in my hair, obviously, to protect it from any heat if I am gonna put any, because I got short hair, you know? If I fry it, then there's not much to cut off to try to save. Okay, last little piece. I don't like to do it too close to my scalp. Kind of do it like around like here. Ew, look at my fake spray tan hand. Okay, so this is it. It's kind of hard to fix anything if it's a little uneven, because then you're just gonna be like crimping and waving on top of another wave. And so if they're a little not super matchy, I mean, I personally would not go over it to make them match, because then you're just gonna continue to like fry your hair. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty cute. Didn't take me that long. Okay, last step. Now I use my little Olaplex bonding oil just to put at my ends, so that it's not frizzy, it's not damaged. My hair can be shiny. And depending on whether I feel like my hair needs it or not, I'll add this IGK hydrating hair balm. But I'll only put a little bit. It's mostly, I think it's applied to damp or dry hair. So the consistency of it, I feel like it's better for damp hair. But I'll still put it, what is it supposed to do exactly? Leave-in conditioning balm with coconut oil. So I just want to make sure when I'm doing a look like this that I'm like really taking care of my hair. Just soaking it in as many preventative damage oils as I can. And then it'll stay, but I'll kind of spray it with this 1-800 Hold Me no crunch flexible hairspray and 450 degrees heat protectant. So many heat protectants. So maybe if I want to touch it up, if this hairspray is still in it. And it smells so good. Alright, well that's it for my 3-barrel waver hair tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.